Hello, hi, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the payment creation through links in Odoo 19 sales module. For that, we just need to move into the sales module and we can just click on new button. This would allow you to move into the form view of quotations. And here, let me fill out the details of the customer. The customer is Deco Addict and I would like to consider the product. Upon clicking on add a product, this would allow us to add the product. So let me add the product that is apple pie with 100 quantity. And here you can see that as we just change the quantity, the amount will be also changing over here into $1,200. Now, here you can see that under the other info, we can just go with the online payment. So let me set the online payment as 50%. Okay. So once you have been set over here, let's save the changes that we have made. And if we want to send this quotation to the customer, we can send this to the customer. And in Odoo 19, we have a new feature to make the online payment using a link. So you can just move on to the action of the quotation. And afterwards here, you would be able to find generate a payment link. So let me choose that. So here you can find that we'll be getting a wizard to generate a payment link. So this payment will confirm the quotation. Upon making the payment, you can see that this quotation will be turned into a sale order. Now here you can see that we can either send this by WhatsApp, and you can see that as I have just said the online payment percentage as 50%, that 50% of amount will be set over here. Now if I just want to generate and copy the payment link, you can just move with this button. So let me copy that so that the link is right now copied, and let me choose other tab, and here let me paste it. Okay. So as I just click on enter, here you can see that we have now redirected into the customer portal. So here we'll be getting two options to make the payment. Either we can just go with the down payment with 50%, or we can just go with the full amount. So right now, let me move on to the payment with down payment of $690. And here you can just choose the payment method, and let's click on pay. And you can see that we have just made the payment over here. Now let me move on to the sales module, and here you can see that the quotation is just turned into the sales order upon making the payment. So this is a new feature, like making a payment through a link in Odoo 19. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo customization and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.